Hello friends, in this video tutorial I demonstrate the cookie with practical. Simply I click on the file new and click on the dynamic web project. Here I simply give my project name is cookie demo and then click on next, then click on next. I simply check the generate web.xml deployment descriptor and then click on finish. My project is displayed under the project explorer. I simply explore the Java resource and then click on the right click on the src folder and click on new, and I simply take a servlet and I give the servlet name as a first servlet, and superclass we are using http servlet, and then click on the next. The name of my servlet is first servlet and the URL is first servlet. I simply added the URL as servlet1 and then click on OK, then click on next. Various method displayed here. Simply I check the do post and do get method and then click on the finish. Okay, my servlet is created here. My servlet name is first servlet and it is extended from the http servlet. I simply select all these information and simply delete it. We don't need these information. I simply delete. Okay. Within the doGet method, I want to get the information from the HTML file. So first we need to create HTML file. Then I simply right click on the web content, click on new, and I take here HTML file and give the name of index.html and then click on the next. My HTML file is created. Simply in the body part I simply write the form action equal double quotes dot slash servlet1 and then close it, and I simply take a pre tag and simply I write here enter the name input type equal text and name equal name. Okay, and I take another tag input type equal submit and the value is I write the submit. Okay, and then save this file. Simply I using the form tag and providing the URL of my first servlet, and the URL of my first servlet is servlet1, and simply I create here taking a input type equal text and giving the name as a name and a submit tag for submitting the information. When this index file is run, I click on the giving the value into the text box and click on the submit button, then it will redirect to the first servlet. Okay, in the first servlet within the doGet method I get the information from the text into the string variable. So then I simply write here print writer out equal response dot get writer. I simply here using the print writer class, there is error showing. I simply import the java.io because the print writer class is within the java.io package. Here I simply using the get writer of the http servlet response interface. The getWriter method return the object of the printWriter simply, and the object of the print writer is out, and out is the out object or print writer class is used to have some methods, print method, that display the information on the browser or print the information on the browser. I simply declare here a string variable name equal request dot get parameter, and the parameter I simply giving the name and then semicolon. Okay, HTTP servlet request has a get parameter method that get the parameter from the index.html. The text box is input type text and the name of my text box is name, and any value in this input type text I will get into the doGet method and store into the variable name. Okay, and then simply I write here out dot print, and within the double quote I write the welcome and then plus, then I provide the some space and then write here the name. Okay, it will print the message on the browser welcome, and then it will take the space and print the value stored into the name that is provided by the index.html. Okay, I simply here declare the cookie class and object ck equal new cookie. Okay, and within the cookie constructor it will take two arguments. First is name. I simply give the name as a name, and object I am providing the name variable, that is the value come into the name from the index.html. Okay, the cookie class also showing error. Simply import the java x.servlet.http package, because the cookie class is also inside this package, and simply java x.servlet.http cookie. Okay, after that you add the response dot add cookie and write, and it will take a parameter as a cookie object. Okay, simply HTTP servlet response interface as a method add cookie, and it will take a single argument as a cookie object. Okay, means you simply add all the cookie information into the response object. Okay, and then I simply write here out dot print, and in this I simply take a anchor tag href equal servlet 2 and close here anchor tag, and simply I write here second servlet. Okay, it will create an anchor tag. When I click on the second servlet, it will redirect to the second servlet, because I simply giving here the URL of the second servlet. First of all, we need to create a second servlet. Then I right click on the src folder and new, and then select the servlet, and I simply give the name of my servlet is second servlet. Okay, the super class I am using is HTTP servlet, and then click on the next. The name of my servlet is second servlet and the URL is second servlet. I simply edit it and I write the servlet 2 and click on OK and then click on next. Where is method displayed here? Simply I check the do post method and do get method and then click on the finish. The second servlet is also created here, that is extend from the HTTP servlet. I simply select all this information and delete, and I also delete all this information. Within the do get method of the second servlet, I want to get the cookie value. So first I create a cookie object, array of objects ck equal request dot get cookie semicolon. It's showing the error. Simply place the cursor and import the java.h.servlet.http because the cookie class is under this package. The get cookies method of HTTP servlet request simply return the cookie from the browser, and this information return the cookie array object, and this information is stored in the ck as a array object of the cookie class. And then simply I take a class print writer out equal response dot get writer, and then import the java.io package, and simply I write here out dot print welcome plus I'm simply provide the some space and then ck 0 dot get value. Okay. In the print method, within the print method, I simply type a text welcome and providing here the some space, and object ck is the cookie object, and simply I giving the 0 index and using the get value method return the value of the cookie. Okay, and print on the browser. Okay, and then save this information, and then I simply select the project and right click, run on server, yes, and then click on the next, then finish. Okay, the index.html page displayed within the browser, and our design is look like this. And simply I write here Abhishek, that is my name, and simply click on submit. Welcome Abhishek is displayed, and the hyperlink second servlet is also created here, displayed here. When I click on the second servlet, the value Abhishek is stored into the cookies, and when I click on the second servlet is open, and within the second servlet do get method, I simply request the cookie. Okay, and getting the value from the cookie, and with the help of print method I simply display the value. Thank you friends, and please subscribe my video and my channel, and also comment. Thank you.